Many people, not just beginners, often ignore important rules at the gym. Even those who have been training for a while can make mistakes that hinder their muscle building progress. These mistakes range from questionable workout methods to risky recovery practices, and they can slow down your gains. To help you stay on track, join us as we look into the errors you should steer clear of during your muscle building journey. With that said, let's get started. The first mistake to avoid is not drinking enough water. When you engage in physical activities that make you sweat, such as exercising or being in a hot environment, your body loses a significant amount of water. This water loss can be as much as 2 liters per hour. It's important to pay attention to this because if you don't take steps to keep yourself well hydrated, it can have a noticeable impact on your progress and results. After you've done strength training exercises, like lifting weights or doing resistance workouts, your body goes through various processes to recover and build muscle. However, if you're dehydrated, these processes can be hindered. Research conducted at California State University uncovered some important findings in this regard. The study revealed that dehydration can lead to changes in hormone production. Specifically, it was observed that the levels of anabolic hormones, which are responsible for muscle growth and repair, can decrease. On the other hand, the production of catabolic hormones tends to increase with dehydration. Catabolic hormones are associated with the breakdown of muscle tissue. One of the significant catabolic hormones that see an increase with dehydration is cortisol. Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone. It plays a role in the body's response to stress and can have a negative impact on muscle growth if its levels remain consistently high. Additionally, the study noted a slight reduction in the production of testosterone and growth hormone, both of which are vital for muscle development. In essence, staying properly hydrated is essential for maximizing the benefits of your strength training efforts. Ensuring you drink enough water before, during, and after your workouts can help maintain optimal hormone levels, support muscle recovery, and contribute to your overall fitness goals. Remember, even small adjustments like staying hydrated can make a big difference in your journey toward better health and fitness. Poor form. Scott H. Mendelsohn advises that there is a common issue among many trainees, particularly beginners when it comes to lifting weights. He highlights that a significant number of them tend to throw the weights around without paying much attention to their form or the speed at which they are performing their repetitions. This can potentially lead to ineffective workouts and even injuries. To address this problem, Mendelsohn suggests a strategy that involves manipulating the timing of each phase of the exercise. This means assigning a specific amount of time in seconds for different parts of the movement, such as the lowering phase, the bottom position, the lifting phase, and the pause at the top. This approach serves as a valuable technique for enhancing the stimulation of muscle fibers. By implementing this strategy, you can focus on controlling the pace of their reps and maintaining proper form throughout the entire exercise. This not only helps in preventing injuries, but also ensures that the muscles are being effectively engaged and stimulated for better results in terms of muscle growth and strength development. Therefore, paying attention to the timing of each phase of the exercise can play a crucial role in maximizing the benefits of weightlifting and achieving desired fitness goals. Lifting too fast. Hey, take a moment to slow down and catch your breath. You might be surprised to learn that there's a more effective way to build muscle and strength than rushing through your exercises. In fact, a study conducted by the University of São Paulo involving 12 bodybuilders revealed some interesting findings. According to their research, you can actually see significant gains in muscle mass and strength by adjusting the timing of your movements. Instead of quickly lifting and lowering weights, try adopting a 1:3 timing approach. This means taking 1 second to lift the weight and 3 seconds to lower it back down. It might feel a bit different at first, but the results could be well worth it. Imagine being able to build up to 3 times more muscle and 5 times more strength just by adjusting your pace. It's like a secret formula for maximizing your workout potential. So next time you hit the gym, remember to slow down your reps and give your muscles the chance to really work their magic. Your body will thank you later. Another mistake is, you don't follow a program. Your time spent at the gym is incredibly valuable, so it's important to make the most of it by avoiding the wrong exercises. According to personal trainer Chris Bakke, he has observed countless individuals performing the same chest, arms, and abs exercises repeatedly without any significant progress to show for it. In his experience, these people could have achieved better results if they had followed a program that incorporated the overload principle, periodization, and other intelligent, scientific approaches. In other words, Simply working hard may not be enough. It's also essential to work smart by incorporating techniques like the overload principle, which involves gradually increasing the resistance or intensity of your workouts. You can continuously challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. Periodization, another crucial aspect, involves varying your training routine over time to prevent plateaus and keep your progress consistent. By following an intelligent scientific program that uses these principles and other effective strategies, you can ensure that your efforts at the gym translate into meaningful progress. So make the most of your time by not only putting in the hard work, but also incorporating intelligent strategies that will lead to better results and a more fulfilling fitness journey. Overtraining. A common mistake that many people make is trying to copy the workout routines of professional bodybuilders. These individuals often perform a high number of sets, around 15 to 20, for each muscle group. However, sports scientist Christian Finn warns against this approach. He explains that simply replicating the workout program of a heavily drug-assisted and genetically gifted bodybuilder may not yield the same results for someone who doesn't have the same level of pharmaceutical assistance or genetics. It's important to keep in mind that professional bodybuilders often have access to resources that the average person may not, including performance-enhancing drugs that can significantly impact their muscle growth and recovery. As a result, their workout routines are tailored to their specific circumstances and may not be suitable for those who are not using similar methods. Finn suggests a different approach, focusing on stimulating the muscles rather than overexerting them. This means finding a balance between challenging your muscles enough to promote growth, but also allowing them enough time to recover. The goal is to avoid excessive strain and potential injury, while still achieving the desired results. Omitting compound moves. Avoid using complicated and inefficient isolation movements that only work on targeting individual muscles. Instead, shift your focus towards training the larger muscle groups in your body. According to BAPC, if your goal is to build significant muscle mass, incorporating compound movements that involve multiple joints is essential. Examples of these compound movements include the deadlift, pull-up, squat, and press-up. These exercises are considered staples in your workout routine because they engage various muscle groups simultaneously. It's worth noting that athletes in strength sports, who possess the impressive physiques that many of us admire, have built their foundation on these very exercises. This correlation between their training approach and their remarkable muscle development is not coincidental. So, if you're aiming to achieve a similar level of muscle growth, incorporating these compound movements into your training regimen is highly recommended. And there you have it, guys. Remember, building muscle is a journey that requires careful planning and dedication. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and advice on your fitness journey. And as always, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep pushing towards those gains. Thanks for watching.